In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Wise on Binance. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Wise account properly set up, with balance loaded into it, properly verified, and even if you have the Wise card, you will be able to have it linked to Binance so you can deposit and withdraw accordingly. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly set up your Wise account inside of Binance to use it alongside the services that Binance has to offer. In order to start this process and make sure that you can use Wise on Binance, go to the home screen and access your profile. Inside of your profile, tap the Payment Methods option. Usually it is going to be the third option from the top. Immediately upon heading into Payment Methods, you will be able to choose between a variety of payment methods attributed to your account. Usually, the option that you want to look for to link different accounts is peer-to-peer payment methods, but you can also browse through cache settings if you wish later. When you go into peer-to-peer payment methods, you will find the option to include a payment method through a bank transfer. So choose bank transfer, and now you can include the account number, the optional bank branch, and the optional IBAN code. Now, this might differ depending on your region, but this is all you have to do to properly link and use Wise on Binance. Include the details about your Wise account, and you will be able to have your Wise account linked to Binance. It is now ready to use alongside the features that I mentioned, so you can browse through the withdrawal options, the deposit options, and as long as you have a card that you can use to pay for any purchases that you make through Binance, you will be able to use the Wise account inside of Binance. Make sure that it is properly attached to your account under the payment methods and you are ready to go and use the peer-to-peer services. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wise on Binance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.